can't see me using this anymore, because I mean that is more powerful than this, and it's a fraction of the size. So I'm very impressed with that so far. Hello everyone, today we're going to take a look at this electric air duster. It's been kindly sent to me by K&F Concept to try out. So in the box you get this nice little carry bag, some instructions, a little quick start guide, the main unit which is quite weighty, and I'm assuming that's like some little dust canister suction thing. So we have a blower nozzle there. There's a little set of brushes there. They're always handy for cleaning things up, like getting bits of dust out of a hard to reach area. Then you've got a nozzle attachment with a brush on. Another brush, which is a nice touch. In fact, quite a few brushes. And a spare filter by the looks of it, so you get a spare air filter as well. That's a nice touch. A USB charger. A selection of different brushes, a nozzle brush, and a handful of little soft brushes there. So you get a nice little selection of accessories, as you can see. So underneath we've got a power button, battery status charge, and your USB charger. So I'm assuming we're now powered on. So that button there turns your little light on. So you've got different speed settings there. That's actually very powerful. So you've got a nozzle there, and that's actually quite nice. That's just magnetic and clips on. So I'll just give you an example of how powerful this is. That's quite good, that. And we've got this vacuum attachment, which I didn't even realise you had. That's the only problem I can see with this at the moment, is it's easy to knock the power button. But now it becomes a vacuum cleaner. So in theory, we turn it on. That's actually quite powerful. I don't know if you can see that. That's actually quite powerful. That's quite impressive, that. So what I would normally use for cleaning things out, such as PCBs or whichever, would be my trusty old cleaner, which is a 2-speed setting. So let's just do a hand feel test and see what the difference is. Put this on full. It's actually going to blow itself over. Right, no bullshit. This is actually more powerful than that on full power, and it was further back. I'm actually really impressed with that. That is absolutely proper meaty. So what I'll do is to actually try it as a vacuum cleaner. That's actually really good. As you can see, it's actually picked up a fair few little bits and pieces there. Lumps of plastic and everything, so it's actually done quite a good job. So the fact it's an air blower, but it also acts as a little vacuum cleaner. It's a nice little touch. I do like that. So a good test for an air blower is to actually open up an old amplifier like this that's not been serviced in ages, and just use it to give it a blowout of all the general dust and everything that's accumulated. Literally just taking the lid off this. As you can see, it's quite grotty. Just zoom in there a little bit, show you. See, it's quite a grotty amplifier this. It's not been touched or serviced or anything yet. So as I mentioned earlier, I'd normally use something like my mains powered cleaner for this. But as you just saw in testing it a few moments ago, this little thing was actually more powerful if you put it on full power. That is really powerful. I mean, it's noisy, but it's really powerful. You can tell how powerful it is. It's actually sucking bits up on the back there, bits of book and that. So yeah, very impressed with that. So it's handy for like even something like a 3D printer where you want to give it a quick blow and get rid of all those little tiny bits and pieces and dust that you can't see inside. Give it a quick blow out of that, or put the vacuum attachment on the end and use it to pick the bits up that way. So I'd definitely recommend getting your hands on one of these. Very handy little device. So thanks again for K&F Concept for sending this out. You'll no doubt see me using this in quite a lot of future videos. And it's got a little light, which is quite handy. I'll put the links in the description, so check those out, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.